Hi guys, welcome to another session of Google Ads. Today we're going to look at how to create a website traffic campaign with Sitelink extensions. In order to create a campaign guys, once you log into your Google Ads, we can click on the campaigns tab on the left panel, and from here we can create a new campaign. You can click on the blue button which lets you create a new campaign, and here we are going to select our goal for this campaign. So for today I'm going to look at the website traffic. And the campaign type for this would be search. You can also provide your website URL at the bottom. You can click on continue to go to the campaign settings page, and here we are going to give all the details regarding the campaign. We can select the network over here. Since we are focusing on search right now, so we're going to want to select search network and remove display. Under show more settings, we can provide details for the other things for the campaign, like the start date and the end date. You can select a future date for the campaign if you want. You can also select end date over here in this manner. You also have the option to set up campaign URL options, which gives you the flexibility of setting up a tracking template on your ads. You can also set up your dynamic search ads from this particular section. If you want to schedule your ads on a particular day and time of the week, you can do it from here in this particular manner. Now we are coming to the targeting and audiences section. Here we are going to provide the geography location targeting. You can select a whole country. You can also select a particular state. You can also select a specific city if you want to target. If you want to do radius targeting, you can click on advanced search and you can select radius and choose your radius and give the local area, and you can save this. If you don't want to show your ads on a particular location, you can target that also, and you can say exclude. You also get few more options to select under locations, wherein you can target people in your targeted locations or who show interest in your targeted location from this particular section. Now, under languages, you can select the different types of languages your customers speak from this list. And then you can go to audiences section to select any specific audience you want to target based on their affinity, remarketing as well. Here you can set up the budget for the campaign. You can tell how much money can you spend on the campaign on a per day basis. And then we are coming to the bidding part of it, where you can set up the right bidding strategy for this campaign. Since the focus is on website traffic, we can look at having a bidding strategy around that. So in order to do that, you can select maximize clicks, which basically means that this bidding strategy tries to get as many clicks as possible on your ads, which will directly convert into traffic to your websites. You can also set a maximum cost per click bid limit over here, which basically means that you're putting a limit on the cost per click which Google will charge in the pursuit of getting clicks for your campaigns. Once you have done with bidding, you can move ahead and you can also set up conversion tracking at an account level or at a campaign level from here. You can also set up your ad rotations, which basically means that the system will try to show the best performing ads more often than the others from here. Now we are reaching the add extensions part, wherein we would like to set up Sitelink extensions to generate more traffic. So you can do it from here, and here you can go ahead and create a new Sitelink extension. Here you can start giving the details for the business, okay, and you can type out the information in this manner. Provide as much information as you can, or you can just give the headline only, and you can provide the URL for it. We'll pick the URL from here specifically. Let's say we are looking at a specific type of business. So let's say it's for agriculture. So you can mention that over here. Okay. Similarly, you can also select other site links. Um, let's have a look at a couple of other options. So we are looking at, let's say, industrial supplies, and we're going to use that as another site link for this business. Supplies, okay, and then what we are doing is we are also going to create the third site link, which can be for, let's say, home and garden. In this manner, you can mention the text and give the final URL. And finally, let's have another site link created, which can be for furniture manufacturers, which I'm going to mention over here. In this manner. So we have created 4 site links over here, and now you can save this. You also have an option to schedule them for particular time period if you want. You can also choose mobile if you want. Then these extensions will show on the devices more often than the others, and you can save this. So now we have created 4 site links for this campaign, and you can save and continue. We are reaching the next stage, which is going to be the ad group creation. Over here, we are going to name the ad group. And as you can see, there are some keyword suggestions automatically coming up because of the website which we have provided. We can go ahead with those keywords, or we can add more to it or remove some. Once we have done that, then we will come to the ads creation part, where we are going to create our expanded text ad. So the first thing which we have to provide over here is the URL, the final URL. So we're keeping it as the home page, and here you can give the first headline. You can see how the ad is appearing on the preview on the right hand side. And like this, you have to fill up all the headlines possible. Provide as much information as you can so that it becomes, you give more information regarding the business, and there are higher chances of people clicking on your ads. You can provide a path as well to your display URL, which basically gives proactive information about your business, and it increases the probability of people clicking on your ads. In the description piece, you can provide more information regarding what the business is, any kind of prices, promotions, discounts you might be doing. You can mention all of that over here. So like this, and we can also provide the second description. Once the ad is created, you can also set up your ad URL options, which is basically setting up a tracking template on your ads. And as you can see, this is how your ad is going to look like on the left, on the right panel. You can see on a mobile device, and this is how it is going to come on the desktop. Once this is done, you can click on the done button and you can save this. The ad is now going to, after the ad campaign is published, the ads will go for a check. Once the ads are approved by Google, then the campaign won't go live. Now, as you can see, this is our website traffic search campaign which we have created. If you click on the ad groups, we can see the ad group created over here. Inside the ad group, you will find all the keywords which we have added, and on the left panel, you will find the search ad which we created today. As you can see, this ad has gone under review, which basically means Google is checking this ad, and within one business day, they will let us know whether the ad is approved or disapproved. Also, on the left panel, you can see the extension, the Sitelink extension which we created today for the business. So guys, in this manner, we are going to create a website traffic search campaign which can be useful for us to generate traffic to our business. Along with that, we have also seen how we can use site links as an extension to increase our website traffic to our business. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, guys. Thank you so much for this.